This video has generated me this revenue that I'm going to share with you, and it's a 6,000 view video. And this revenue I generated from this video is for the past 7 days. Today make it 1 week that I was monetized on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how much YouTube pay me for a 6,000 view. And this tutorial or this video is to inspire you as a new creator who is aiming to monetize soon, and who has been asking, does being a YouTuber worth it? Does the stress or the energy that you put into create content, does it worth it? So we're going to see it when we get into the dashboard of my channel. Then please, if you are just coming across my video, please do well to stay to the end of this video. Don't click out. If you click out, you will not be able to see the revenue that this video generated. So we are going to dive into the dashboard of my channel, so that I'm going to show you how much YouTube pay me for that 6K view. And we are also going to see the country that watched the video, and a lot more. But the most important thing is for you to see how much that 6,000 view generated as revenue. Let's dive into the video. I'm going to go into my analytics, and the first one is the real time, which is 2K plus for the past 24 hours, followed by stop traffic source, which is browse feature, suggested videos, YouTube search, and other YouTube feature, direct and unknown. Then this take me to the reach of this video, and here we have how viewers find this video, browse feature, suggested video, other YouTube search and others, external site, whatsapp.com, Google search and WhatsApp, then YouTube search term, content suggesting this video, as you can see here. Then engagement, people that watch this video watch up to 57%. It said 57% of viewers are still watching at around the 30 mark, which is above typical. That means which is okay. And the next one is audience retention. The audience of this video, device type, that is device, what they use in watching the video, mobile phone, TV. I don't know how they manage to use TV to watch this. Tablet, computer. Then age bracket, we have 18 to 24, 25 to 34, and 35 to 44, and other of them. But the most age bracket that watch this video is 25 to 34, and the gender that watch it most is female. And the top geographical area that watch this video is Nigeria, followed by Ghana, and followed by United States. Watch time from subscribers, the views that this video has, and the subscriber, I don't know if you can see it, and the subscribers did not match. So it did not match, but they are not subscribing to the channel. So now, how you make money, how I make money from this video is through watch paid ad and the YouTube premium. Then video performance. Okay, then how much advertisers pay for this video? Advertisers pay $1 80 cents, and the type of ad that play on the video is earning by this type: skippable video ad, display ad, bumper ad, and non-skippable ad. So now let's go into the revenue of this video. So this video have generated an estimate revenue of $1.18. So see it, $1.18, $1.18 that this video have generated. As you can see, this is a video of 6,000 views for the past 6 days. I was not able to remove the other ones here. I was not able to with this phone, but with my laptop I was able to do that. So now you ask yourself, if a video of 6K view has $1.18, is it worth it? And I'm going to tell you why this video made this revenue. Is because the top geographical area that watches this video is Nigeria, because it's a low-end country. If it is where the top geographical area that watch the video is UK or US, you are going to see that the advertisers are going to pay way more bigger than what the advertisers in Nigeria pay. So that's the reason why this video made this amount. So to me, it's a win-win for me. Yes, and I'm so happy that when I open my dashboard, there is even $1 inside in 1 week. That means if I work hard, if I put in more effort, that I'm going to make more money. And congratulations to me that something has dropped in my dashboard. And thank you to YouTube for giving me this opportunity to showcase myself. I know that this video has given you value. You don't even need to tell me. Please, if you have not shared this video, like this video and comment down below and tell me congratulations, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. If being a YouTuber, from the view that we see and from the earning that we see in this video, does it worth it for you or it is not worth it for you? My opinion is that it's worth it for me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.